Wingstop had a long flat period on heavy volume right in the middle of the day. I'm not crazy about that, but otherwise I do like the way that it trended early and late in the session, so I've got it on here for tomorrow. In terms of a stop on this one, if I'm going to have an early session entry, I'm going to look for a stop right about $42.57. And I'm just going to give it room down to there because I think if it comes back down in and it hits that level, it's going to wind up really making this move back down into the range. If I'm looking for a place for this to bounce on a retracement, if we get an open that's lower tomorrow, I would definitely be interested in this area at $41.88. And on the upside on this one, an entry above the high of the session and above this $43.28 level would have us looking for a 44.48 move, with our first profit protecting stop coming in at $43.86. So I'd at least want to ratchet this to break even if we hit 43.86. And quite frankly, if it has a hard time getting up above that level, then I'm going to start looking at this one to see if the magnitude of the measured move that it made going into the close has been replicated on any pullback and move higher going through 43.86. So anywhere above here is where I'm going to start looking at this for an exit. The last trade to trigger on Tuesday was Wingstop Incorporated, and this was the hooray moment of the day. So we had on this one, anything above about a 43.30 level was the entry. This opened higher, just like the other stocks on the plan did. Came back down, qualified, gave us a nice easy entry above yesterday's high price. And then we had a couple bounces lower back into the range that we got in from, and I was definitely watching that 43.80 or 43.86 level, but actually it never got back up into that high. I was very conscious of the fact that it might get back up here and then turn around and take another big dip and give me a second entry opportunity. It didn't get quite high enough to hit my exit level the first time around, and the second time we just let this go, and it's very uncharacteristic that these play out over the course of this many hours. So I'm just going to say today was kind of a weird day. But when it was all done, 43.30 made it all the way to our target at $44.48. Interestingly, that first place that we thought it was going to inflect, it did that right off the opening bell, got up to the sort of narrower target at $43.80, and then just off to the races over the course of the session. And $44.48, about a $1.10 per share on Wingstop Incorporated for the session on Tuesday. So that really made an otherwise slow day a pretty good one if you stuck with it.